I actually just recently hired a VA. So like my VA does, yeah, Dolmar. Yeah. I'm hiring people too, Domo. I'm getting up there with you.
So, how was you feeling when you came to our workshop, our 3-day workshop?
I'm not gonna lie, I just thought that y'all was out to get some money from people. I was like, this is another gimmick, and it's probably gonna be a waste. Like I thought a lot of negative stuff. I really did. I
You thought
did.
we was scamming you, Elisha?
Yes, because I've been scammed before. So yeah, I did.
So,
Yeah.
did you go to Dolmar's webinar? Is that how you came?
I think so. Yes, either I was on Instagram or YouTube. I was on one of those channels and came across Dolmar, and he was talking about the free webinar, and so I started there, of course. So yeah.
Okay, so how is business going now? You've been in the program for about 4 weeks. How is the business
Yes.
going now?
It's going actually great, and it's so simple. Like you guys had told me at the beginning that it's simple, and I was like, I can't believe it, and it's very simple, and I'm doing good. I got one sale, which was for $10,000, so
So
that's
you
a
closed
plus.
one deal already?
Yes, for
Wait,
ten
wait, wait.
thousand.
It's closed, done, transaction done, closed.
Closed, done, over.
Yo, why am I just now finding this out?
She was the hardest. I'm
Cause
telling you, when she first
Domar,
signed
you
up,
be MIA sometimes. Yeah, Domar be missing sometimes. It be me and Sharon. We be going at it. Sharon knows everything.
I
I
do.
know. So Sharon oversees all of the students in the program. She's She's the client success manager. So yeah, she knows everything before I do. I'm like, I'm just
Yeah,
finding this out live. I do. I should be
yeah.
posting about this. I need to interview you.
Mark, you be on those webinars 2 or 3 times a week and these events. That's why he be MIA, Alicia.
I
But
know he
I
be
remember
busy.
Alicia mindset was the hardest to change because she was just like every excuse she could give me, she would, and I was like,
Yep.
just join. And she
Yeah.
surprised me and joined, and she's the first one to close in her class.
Yes, because I remember I was even telling you that, I have memory problems because I'm on seizure medicine, but I'm telling you, I have not had any issues. It's like y'all done banged it in my head. So now I got it. So it's like I don't have any problems forgetting things, because I mean y'all teach well. Sharon, you take your time out. Like we was in class the other day for what, 2.5 hours? Did Dormore know that?
Yeah, he was on a webinar, but he knows.
Yeah, so like I just think that's important that y'all very caring, all of y'all. When I reach out, y'all ask any questions. I might have not asked the same question multiple times, and y'all have patience. So, and I've learned that from you guys as well because I've never had patience, and so I'm picking up a lot more in this class just besides about wholesaling.
I have a
You
Alicia,
question.
know.
For you.
go ahead.
Yeah, I have a question for you because someone, Sandra, is asking. Prior to coming to the 3-day class, did you have any prior real estate experience at all?
None, absolutely. Nope. I had bought a house and my plans was to flip the house, and I've been having the house for a year. It hasn't even been flipped. So I haven't done anything to it because I was stuck and I felt like I didn't know anything about real estate. So I still literally got the house.
You just learned about wholesaling 4 weeks ago, and now 4 weeks
Yes.
close to the first deal.
Yes. So it's been great. And it's like I said, y'all make it so simple for me to understand. And I appreciate that. And y'all take y'all time.
Alicia,
Oh,
do you mind
yes.
sharing a little bit about your background and your why? What made you even decide that you wanted to get into this business? Because I don't think that's my place to share, but I know you shared a little bit on at the event about your struggles and things like that. Because I feel like that would connect with some people on here if they kind of had a little bit of an idea of what your why was.
Okay. Well, I have a long list of whys, but I mean, my struggle is I've been through a lot in life. I've lost a child. I've been shot by a previous boyfriend. You know what I'm saying? So I've been through a lot of mental and emotional stuff. And it's just like at some point that stuff start tearing you down, mentally, physically, which that all revolves around financial as well. So it just starts tearing you down. So I don't know, when I was listening to Dolmar that day, I ran across him. It just kind of caught my attention for some reason. So I have a lot of whys because I want to do something different in life. I want to change my environment. I want the finer things in life like we all do. It's no surprise to that. So I don't know. I just wanted something different in life. I want to be able to help my family and, my kids, my mother, because they struggle at some point in time, because we all live an average life. Some people are born with money or come across money, however they do, but I've lived an average life and everything has came to me the hard way. So it's just kind of like, okay, Dolmar made it seem so simple and easy. I had to try it. I was like, I got to try this. It can't be that easy.
There's some questions coming in for you, Elisha. They
okay.
Have questions. They want to know, how much time did you put in a day till you got your first deal?
Actually, all day. I took off work for because I have a job as well. So I took off work for a few weeks just because I want to make sure I didn't miss any classes. I want to make sure I get all the knowledge. And so I probably put in a job, 8 hours, because I really, that's how bad I wanted it. So even when I'm not on the class, I get on my laptop or my phone and I'm going through the vault and I'm studying, watching old videos over again until I get it. I'm reading over contracts. So at the beginning, I was doing it, but that's just because that's what I wanted to do, and everybody learns differently. You understand? So with me, like I said, I have seizures as well. So with the medicine I'm on, it takes me a little longer to learn. So I just felt like that's something I need to do, is put more time in. Some people might not have to put as much time in it as I did.
Right.
I love your no attitude.
Oh, thank you, Dolmar.
No excuses at all. And are you doing this part-time or full-time? That was a question that came in, but it sounds like you're doing this part-time because you have
Yes, I have a job. Yeah, I do.
Awesome. This is good stuff.
Elisha, how many pending deals do you have?
Oh, shoot. I 8. Yes.
I wanted you to know that, Dolmar. She has 8. She's pending.
I do.
You guys be keeping this stuff from me.
Yes.
Shock factor to you.
Okay. So yeah, but it's great.
That's amazing. So let's talk about how you found those leads and opportunities then.
I found the leads through, I've been going through, I use Real Elite sometimes, and I just I'm sure y'all have taught them the method of going in there and, finding the absentee owners, and all those sort of things. And I have them skip trace, of course. And then we just call, I actually just recently hired a VA. So my VA does it. Yeah, Dolmar. Yeah. I'm hiring people too, Dolmar. I'm getting up there with you.
I love it. I'm just being present to the fact that just 4 weeks ago, you were in this exact same class. I'm just amazed at the speed that you're moving. And I didn't know any of this stuff. Like everyone else on here, I'm hearing this for the first time. I asked Sharon, hey, who are the students that you have coming on here? And she's like, Elisha, Drake, Hillary. She didn't even tell me Jody was coming. She just told me about Elisha and Hillary. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. She didn't tell me about the results that you guys had. And so I'm just amazed at this. And you're in, guys, this is because of a direct result of mentoring. Because like I shared, you're going to give you all the resources where you can do this. You have the contracts, the scripts, everything after the 3 days training that they also went through and you're going through right now. You're going to be able to do this on your own. You're going to get everything to go out and do this on your own, but it's up to you to execute everything and implement everything on your own. They're able to go a lot faster because they have someone in their ear keeping them accountable. Did you do this? Did you follow up?
Yeah.
Get this done. And basically hand-holding you the entire step of the way. And so we're going to talk more about mentorship tomorrow as well. We're going to go over the details of that for those of you that might be interested, but these are the possibilities you can create a lot faster. I mean, 4 weeks, 10 grand on your first deal and 8 more in the pipeline. Oh my God.
You just finished Stephen's 4-week accelerator last week. So she started June 17th.
On the daily calls.
She started the program June 17th, but it took her a minute to come around. I had to, she didn't want to come. She just didn't want to do it. She just didn't. So I kept saying, okay, Elisha. Okay. And she finally did it. And now, because she chose mentorship, she accelerated, because she's now got 8 deals in the pipeline.
I do.
She closed her first deal with money in her bank account already.
That's amazing.
I'm looking for some help now, because I'm like, it's starting to be overwhelming because there's so much that's coming. And that's a good thing. I'm not saying this is a bad thing, but it's like, oh my gosh, I got all these leads, these hot leads. People want contracts. And I'm like, I need more help.
Thank you, Elisha, for sharing. And hang tight. We might ask you some more questions, okay?
Okay, that's fine.